how to download or install Akinator app. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. Well, the process is similar in both of your Android device or your iOS device. If you are on your Android device, you need to head over to your Play Store. But if you are on your iOS, then head over to App Store. It will land you on this home page. Once you are in here, in the search bar, you have to search for Akinator. You need to move into this app. Now you simply need to click on Get and then click on Install. Well, the application will start to install. You need to wait for a while for it to complete. There you go, the Akinator app has been downloaded on your device successfully. You can simply tap on Open. You have to log into your specific account and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download Akinator app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.